What's up, everybody? Got another video here. Gonna do 2015 Donruss. Nothing spectacular in here, or not a spectacular box, I should say. There's probably good stuff in here. I pulled a Josh Donaldson auto to 10 a couple years ago out of it. Just a cheap little break, 2015. Let's get it going. Quite a few packs. I'll try to condense this. 24 packs. If I can pop this up without my entire there we go. All right. See what we get. Oh. Right off the bat, Michael Taylor. To 279. That's nice. I think he's amounted to much, but Felix Hernandez. Ooh, look at there. It's starting off pretty good. Got a Donruss preferred to 49, Bryce Harper. That's nice. Let's see. Rollins, Holiday, Diaz, Hosmer. Nothing in there. Dang, another numbered James Loney Diamond Kings. Sorry if that was off centered. Carlos Correa. Ooh, look at that. That's actually a pretty nice one. Well, I liked it better a couple years ago. Alex Wood. Whatever happened to him last year? I know he had an incredible, was it 2018 for the Dodgers? I don't know if he got hurt or what. But fun fact, he was a UGA, I'm a big Braves fan. He was a UGA alum. Played at UGA right down the road from me. Pretty cool. So that's not a bad auto. Not a bad auto indeed. Carlos Correa, 2015. Was that his rookie in 2015? I don't remember. I guess I'm going to start doing it like this because see all the good cards first. Trout. Rivera, McGuire. Keuchel. David Ortiz. And Ken Griffey Jr. That's a cool looking card. Off season's in full swing. Most people, most of the big name free agents I think are gone now. Josh Donaldson, except for him. Sure hope the Braves re-sign him. Francisco Lindor. I like those Donruss preferred ones. That's pretty cool looking. Mr. Trout. I'll keep that over here too. Few packs in. Sonny Gray. I don't think we got another hit here. Kluber. Oh, there we go. Alex Gordon. Press proof. Proof, excuse me. Can't speak. Sonny Gray. Cal Ripken. I got this box on sale, pretty good, pretty cheap. I think I only paid like 15 bucks for it. Got it one of those Black Friday deals. Pool holes. Zach Wheeler, he just signed a huge contract. Stanton to $9.99. I didn't realize they gave you this many numbered in here. It's pretty cool. I think you're supposed to get 3 hits, maybe? I think that's right. I could be wrong. Mr. Fister. Ichiro. I don't know if it's a variation or what. It's turned around backwards. Matt Adams. George Springer. Well, yeah. They have the numbers? No. Same variation, just a blue bordered. I don't know. I have to look it up. Ricky Henderson, one of my favorite players growing up. R.A. Dickey. Giancarlo. Fun fact, in case you didn't know, he used to be Mike Stanton. I don't know if he was trying to Americanize his name or what, but he used to be Mike. Matt Adams, Jersey Kings. Not a horrible player. Yasmani Tomas. Mr. Mike Trout. Probably about halfway done, maybe. Like, where's all the rookies at? Pedroia, James Loney, and Lariano. All right, next one. Cespedes. Oh man. Rookie card of Brandon Finnegan. Rookie auto. Which I don't know if he's still pitching or not. Chris Bryant preferred. Kenny's Vargas. Well, we're just gonna have to hope, which I think I've gotten extra hits in these before. I don't know if you can get hot boxes in these or not. Like I said, I'm going to go kind of fast. Carson Fulmer. Alright, let's see what else we got here. There we go. There's a good rookie. Odor. Oh, look at that. Daniel Murphy. Now that's a nice one. He squinched his last name, and I don't know why he had to. Yeah, the Mets. That's pretty sick. He's a great hitter. He used to mess up the Braves all the time. Byron Buxton. And that's 4 hits, so I don't know if you typically get 4 hits or not. Jock Peterson, rookie. So it was a good pack overall. See, that's why I like this product. You know, I mean, I don't like that they don't have the logos, obviously, but like I said, for an inexpensive break, got some decent cards. I'll take it. The Big Hurt. Strasburg just signed for a huge deal. Chris Carter. Whatever happened to that guy? I remember him. I didn't hear him. Ooh, there we go. Freddie Freeman, baby. That's my boy. Miguel Cabrera. All right. Either a huge hit in here, or it is Hernandez. Oh, it was a dummy card. Brian Dozier. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Tony Gwynn. 3,141 hits all time. One of the best hitters I ever saw. Used to live out in San Diego for a while and got to see him firsthand. Jack Murphy Stadium, if anybody's familiar with that. Cueto, Chris Sale, Jimmy Rollins, and then Maikel Franco. Rookie. He just signed the deal with, I think he just signed the deal with the Royals, if I'm not mistaken. Took a flyer on him. You know, he hasn't done much. I thought this said Anthony Rendon. That would have been cool. I don't even know when his rookie is, to be honest with you. Not off the top of my head. Ozuna. Adam Wainwright. Preferred. And Anthony Rodinado. Oh, you want to say that? Matt Harvey. Yasiel Puig. Jake Lamb. Decent rookie. Alright. Got about, I think, 5 packs left. Not counting this one. Wheeler. Alex Wood again. Ken Griffey, preferred. Sick. And then a Wade Boggs, number 400. That's pretty cool getting, probably gotten, I don't know, 8 to 10 numbered cards so far. Cabrera, Pence, Aroldis Chapman, Billy Hamilton, numbered to 99. That's pretty cool. One of the fastest guys in the game. Jose Altuve. And then another Valquez 304. Got some weird numbering on here. Just kind of random. Alright, so let me just get these out. See what we get. So maybe you do get 4. Maybe it's 3 autos and 3 autos and a jersey. If it ain't numbered, you ain't getting much on base, that's for sure. Nolan Ryan, that's pretty cool. Victor Martinez. Remember Justin Morneau. Paul Goldschmidt. That's a pretty cool looking card. 470 foot. That is definitely a long ball for sure. All right, 2 packs left. Appreciate y'all watching. Cranky Willie McCovey. I'm not even gonna flip them around. Jacoby Ellsbury. And Donnie Baseball. I like those. The 82. The year those are modeled after. Rodriguez. Tony Gwynn himself. Julio Teheran. Freddie Freeman. Little PC action there. And Jonas Martin. And Kenny Vargas, number 299. Those are good looking cards. See the shimmer. Anyway, appreciate y'all watching. That was, like I said, fun little break. But I'll be having more breaks coming soon. Like, subscribe. I appreciate it. Until next time. Peace.